Remove the engine cover. The MAP sensor is fitted into the top left of the intake manifold. You can improve access to the sensor by moving a section of the vacuum hose. Release the hose from the retaining clip. Pinch in the two tabs to release the hose connection. Pull out the tab and remove the wiring plug. Remove the 8mm retaining bolt. Now carefully withdraw the sensor from the manifold. This is the part number if you need to renew the sensor. Clean the sensor using an electrical parts cleaner. Point the sensor tip downwards and spray all sides of the sensor tip. Avoid any physical contact with the sensor membrane. Let the sensor warm up to the ambient temperature before refitting. Refit the sensor into the manifold. Refit and tighten the 8mm bolt. Reconnect the wiring plug. Reattach the vacuum hose connector and fit it back into the retaining clip. Refit the engine cover to finish. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.